we discussed the homework to division algorithm. The first homework question that I had given was to divide the dividend px with gx and to find its quotient and remainder. So dividend we will write here in standard form, that is in decreasing order of x. It is already in standard form. We write divisor here, as I have already told. To find the first term of the quotient in a rough column, we divide x cube by x square, and that is the first term of the quotient. X we multiply with x square and write it below x cube term. X we multiply with minus 2, so that is minus 2x, so we write it below 5x because the degree of the variable should be same. You cannot write it below x square term. We change the sign to cancel the first term and then we write the remainder. We bring minus 3 down. To find the next term of the quotient, we divide minus 3x square with x square, and the value is minus 3, which becomes the next term of the quotient. Minus 3 is multiplied with x square and with 2. So negative 2 into 3 is positive 6, which we write here. We change signs to cancel the first. Therefore, remainder is 7x minus 9. Final statement, quotient is x minus 3, remainder is 7x minus 9. The second sum of homework was to divide gx by px. As I have already told, we write the dividend in descending order of the degree of x. So first will come the x raised to 4. There is no x cube term, so we write 0x cube. There is an x square term. We have 4x and 5. Now it is written in descending order of x, of degree of x. We write divisor here also in standard form. This is not in standard form, so we have to write x square term. Then we have to write the x term and then the constant. So we will write it here. To find the first term of the quotient, now we will do mentally. We will divide x raised to 4 with x square. So we have x square, which is the first term of the quotient. We multiply x square with all these terms to get x raised to 4 minus x cube, which we will write below 0x cube, plus x square. We change sign to cancel the first. 0 plus 1 is 1x cube. This is negative 4x square. We bring 4x down. To find the next term of the quotient, we divide x cube with x square. So that is x. We multiply x with all these terms to get x cube minus x square plus x. Change signs to solve further. This is minus 4 plus 1, so minus 3x square, and this is plus 3x. We bring 5 down and find the next term of the quotient by dividing minus 3x square with x square. So that is minus 3. So we have minus 3x square, we have positive 3x, and we have negative 3. Change signs and solve. This will cancel, this will also cancel. Remainder is 8. So final statement, quotient is x square plus x minus 3, and remainder is a constant, so we will not write rx, we will just write r is equals to 8. So this was second sum of homework. The third sum, the question 2 was to check if gx is a factor of px. So we have to do division algorithm. We have to divide these polynomials. So we divide 3x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. We divide it with x square plus 3x plus 1. To find the first term of the quotient, we divide 3x raised to 4 with x square. So that is 3x square. We multiply 3x square with all these terms. So that becomes plus 9x cube. and this is plus 3x square. We change sign and solve. This will be minus 4x cube and this will be minus 10x square. We'll bring 2x down. The next term is found by dividing 4x cube with x square. So we are left with minus 4, which is the next term of the quotient. Minus 4x, which is the next term of the quotient. So that is minus 4x cube. This when we multiply, we'll get minus 12x square and this will give us minus 4x. Change signs and cancel the first term. The difference of this is plus 2x square, and when we add this is 6x. We bring plus 2 down. To find the last term of the quotient, 2x square is divided by x square, so that is plus 2. So we'll have 2x square plus 6x plus 2. We change sign throughout, all will cancel and remainder is 0. Since the remainder is 0, we will write therefore gx is factor of px. But if the remainder was not 0, we'll write it is not a factor. This was question 2, first sum. Question 2, homework question, second sum is division algorithm. This is x raised to 5 minus 4x cube. X raised to 4 is not there, so we write 0x raised to 4 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. We divide it with this divisor. Divisor may not be written in standard form. To find the first term, we divide these two. X raised to 5, we divide with x cube, so that is x square. When we multiply x square with x cube, we'll get x raised to 5. This will be minus 3x cube, which we will write here. There is no term below 0x raised to 4. X square plus into 1 is x square. We change sign and write 0x raised to 4. We are not writing. We take the difference here. This is minus 1x cube. This is 0x square. We bring 3x plus 1 down. We divide 3x cube, negative 1x cube with x cube. So that is minus 1. So that is minus x cube, positive 3x. And this when we multiply, that is negative x, negative 1. We change sign, cancel this. This is 0 and this is plus 2. Since the remainder is plus 2, we will write gx is not a factor of px. The last question, homework question that was given was to verify division algorithm. Question 3. Divide second polynomial with the first polynomial and verify division algorithm. Now this was first polynomial and this was second polynomial. So we have to divide the second polynomial with the first one. So this becomes the dividend and this becomes divisor. We are doing long division. So we write in descending order. First we will write x cube term, then x square term, then x term, and last is constant. We write gx also in standard form, that is minus x square plus x minus 1. To find the first term of the quotient, we will divide minus x cube with minus x square, and that is x. So first term of the quotient is x. X is multiplied with all these three numbers. change sign to cancel the first term. Difference of this is 2x square. The difference here is minus 2x. We bring 5 down. The next term is found by dividing 2x square by minus x square. So value is minus 2, which is the next term of the quotient. Minus into negative x square is 2x square. Negative 2 into x is negative 2x. Negative into negative 1 is positive 2. We change sign. This will cancel out. This is 0x and this will be 3. We have to now verify remainder 3. We have to verify whether the division algorithm is valid. Division algorithm to be verified is Px is equals to Gx into Qx plus R. This is the division algorithm to be verified. So we write RHS, that is Gx into Qx plus R is to be verified. We substitute the values. The value of Gx in standard form is minus x square plus x minus 1. Qx is x minus 2 and remainder is plus 3. To solve, we will now multiply x square with both the terms. So when I multiply x square with x, it is negative x cube. I multiply x square with minus 2, so positive 2x square. I multiply x with x, so that is plus x square. And these two when I multiply minus 2x. I multiply negative 1 with x and negative 1 with negative 2, so plus 2 plus 3. Now those terms having same powers are to be added. So 2x square plus x square became 3x square. Negative 2 into negative x, negative 3x. And when we add this, we get plus 5. Now this is the same expression, polynomial, that we had as a dividend. So that is verified. These were homework questions.